Welcome to AutoCrib, the leader of industrial vending innovation. Whether it's automating a traditional tool crib or providing point-of-use dispensing machines, AutoCrib is the logical choice. AutoCrib provides a wide variety of solutions based upon the AutoCrib software. Let's take a look at the RFID solution, the IntelliPort. IntelliPort becomes the employee ID-controlled doorway into and out of an existing unmanned tool crib or stores area. Its turnkey system of radio frequency identification, or RFID readers, track movement of items affixed with passive RFID tags into and out of a controlled area. The perfect solution to secure your durable or gauge tool crib, IntelliPort can easily dispense large or bulky items, and you have greater assurance of correct item identification as the specific serial number of the item is tracked. The IntelliPort records transactions by reading Gen 2 Class 1 passive ID tags, which may be affixed to a variety of items. These tags cost as little as 20 cents and may be programmed by the printer just before being applied to the item. The IntelliPort can be placed directly in front of the existing access to the crib or stores area. The user approaches the IntelliPort and enters his employee number using the keypad, a barcode scanner, a magnetic swipe reader, or proximity card reader. This welcomes the user by name.
Welcome to the IntelliPort, J. Wallace. Access granted.
And unlocks the door to allow the user to enter through the portal. Once the user obtains the items he wishes to check out, he returns to the portal area where he can set the items on the built-in shelf for convenience. Next, the user presses the checkout button and items are scanned by the array of RFID reader panels. The screen will show what items have been scanned and will ask the user to confirm. If the screen shows the correct items, the user presses the checkout button and the doors will open, allowing him to exit. Security cameras capture a photo of each user as they enter and exit the portal. If the user has attempted to check out a gauge that is out of calibration, a red line appears on the screen identifying the item, and the system will not complete the transaction. The item must be removed from the portal area and placed in the crib and tools area. Another item must be selected and go through the checkout process. The IntelliPort offers the option of printing receipts for issued and/or returned items. When returning an item, enter through the portal with the same process as when you check the item out. Upon entering, the user presses the check-in button, and any durable or calibrated items being returned are scanned. This would normally in the process for a typical durable item, but gauges may also require the user to enter the number of cycles run. With this setting, a receipt will be issued for returned items. The user returns the items to their proper places, and the check-in is complete. To exit, the user enters their ID and selects Checkout. This clears the system and unlocks the doors. The IntelliPort offers greater assurance of item identification as serial numbers are tracked, but less dependence on bin location accuracy, as an item placed in the wrong bin is still recorded. Nobody knows your business like you do. Therefore, you make the decisions regarding setting employee access profiles using our item-based access control. This self-service environment offers significant time and labor savings. However, security is duly enforced through the use of various employee ID methods, magnetic and photo beam sensors, and surveillance web cameras. The user interface is intuitive and simple, yet driven by the most powerful and user-friendly inventory management system available, AutoCrib software. IntelliPort offers a great solution if you have perishable, durable items, relatively expensive items, or items with a low incidence of shrinkage. If you have a large number of items you need to control, but have a limited budget, IntelliPort is for you.